Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to our brand new weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday, it is the 27th of August, and I am just now getting home. It's around 4:27. I finished making my little bowl here, my little meal, and the spices, ooh, those spices are getting into my chest, but it looks and smells so good. I just went with something, I just kind of mixed something old with something new, honestly. So I had a couple pieces of flounder, real small pieces, nothing substantial, but I just went ahead and slapped on a little bit of seasoning. I got the Slap Your Mama hot seasoning. I did a little bit of Old Bay and then a little bit of smoked paprika, and just went ahead and popped that right into the hot skillet, and just kind of did a couple minutes on both sides. It didn't really take very long. And then for the base of my bowl, I just went ahead and did a salad, bag salad kit, which makes it super easy, super convenient. But a bag salad, I added in a little bit of that rice that I made last week. So it's in last week's vlog, but it was like a broccoli cheddar type of rice. I just reheated that, added that in with the salad, and then kind of put a little bit, those fillets right over top of that. Drizzled it with the dressing that came with the salad pack, which was a everything bagel type of dressing. Kind of like a little creamy ranch, updated ranch, honestly. And yeah, that's gonna be my meal for today. I'm actually in a little bit of a rush because I have an appointment at 5 o'clock. I am dealing with a little bit of stress rash. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got stress hives that I'm breaking out in due to stress. So I'm gonna go over to urgent care, get that taken a look at. Hopefully they can give me something to kind of break it down. Friday I had it all over my chest, but it actually went away. So it's mainly just on my arms right now, is where I'm getting, just on both arms in the same place. So it is stress related, hives. I'm gonna try my best to be calm and take everything with a grain of salt, but sometimes life just throws a lot of stuff at you and you have to figure it out really quickly. And I am not the best at that. I like to take my time. I like to plan stuff out, and I don't like it when it just comes really fast. So neither here nor there, not complaining, happy to be alive. But yeah, so I got to go get that taken care of. So my appointment's in 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and chow down for a bit and yeah, make my way. Yesterday we actually had an appointment at another office. So we actually ended up stopping and we had kava, which was really nice. So it was just us enjoying our kava outside, and that really helps to kind of bring down the stress level, and it was really a really relaxing afternoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast now. It's 4:30 on the dot, so I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, here we are. It is Wednesday, the 28th of August. And as you can clearly see, I'm not coming from work. Had the day off, which was really nice. I ended up doing a 3.3 mile walk today. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And I really needed that. I needed to clear my mind because it's just been so much going on. When I say life be lifing, it does. And it doesn't happen in like little increments. Oh no, it all falls down on you really quickly. So that's basically what's going on right now, without going into any, a whole bunch of details. But right now it is 2:55, so almost 3 o'clock. I did really good today. I went on that walk. I was able to kind of clear my thoughts a little bit and just kind of, get a rein on a lot of things. I cleaned up around the house. I just did like little stuff here and there, but most of what I did today was just like phone calls and trying to get things arranged and get things settled and all of that. So it was a lot of pieces I had to take care of. But I did go ahead and make something quickly. We still have a little bit of that flounder left over from yesterday, but not a whole bunch to create a humongous meal. So I did make some little pork and veggie, you can call them dumplings, pot stickers. Yeah, that's basically what it is. So I made some of those. It came with like a little sauce packet, so I just kind of put the sauce in here, and I'm not gonna have the entire plate, but my husband's gonna have half of that, so that's great. I did make my iced coffee. I had a cup of black coffee a little bit earlier, maybe like an hour ago, just because I was starting to feel a little bit hungry, but I went ahead and just actually made my full iced coffee so I can go ahead and enjoy that as well. But that's basically about it. I have a couple more of those, dumplings going as well in the back, because I'm sure this is not all he's going to be able to eat. He's going to be, especially since he's coming from the gym, he's going to be hungry. So I have some more going in the air fryer, which I feel like is a lot more cleanly than the pan frying. The pan frying, it just gets everywhere, and I already cleaned the stove. So I'm like, So I pulled out the air fryer, and I'm going to let those go in there. But I think that's about it. I did really good on my water today. You guys already know. By the time I came back from that walk, I was super thirsty. So I actually did really good. But this is my water cup for the week. My chartreuse cup. I absolutely love that color. But I think that's about it. We're pretty much just gonna, I got a couple errands I do need to run when my husband gets home from the gym. But other than, it's mainly just going to the store and picking up a few things, the Home Depot, and then I broke my nail yesterday somehow, some way, right there, that middle nail. So it's kind of cracked, so I'm gonna see about getting that fixed sometime today. But other than that, I just gotta run by the pharmacy and, do a couple other things, but that's pretty much it. We'll be ready to go for tomorrow. But I slept in, I got some good rest. I really needed that. I needed to, rejuvenate, replenish the stuff that I've been losing. But yeah, I'm doing really good. So I'm really happy and hoping today was a much better day than yesterday. But yeah, I'm trying my best not to stress out about things I cannot control. My body definitely lets me know when, you're in a stressed out moment. But I will commend myself because I did not run to sugar. I did not run to fast food. I did not do any of those things. I literally changed, how I saw the food. And so therefore I didn't run to any of those little things that gave me like that temporary relief. I literally was just like, nope, I'm sticking to my guns. Like, I'm doing this. And if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it the right way. So I'm sticking to my guns. I'm sticking to my one meal a day. I'm trying to, not have so much refined sugar and just kind of, have the natural sugars from the watermelon or any of the fruits that we have here. So I've been sticking to my word. But anyway, I will, I think that's it for today. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on my channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today is Saturday. Thank goodness the weekend is here. Allowing me a little bit of time to take a break, to rest, to relax, and to really try to recharge my battery as much as possible. So just to kind of catch you guys up, I know Thursday and Friday was a blur. Thursday we actually brought my dad home to his home from the rehabilitation center. It's just been a lot, like a lot. So we have been running back and forth trying to get, caregiving services and caretaking services and making sure that he's, being bathed and basically being taken care of. And he doesn't live, clearly you guys already know, whenever we talk about going to my dad's house, it's an all-day affair when we're down there. But we don't even live in the same state. We can still drive to him. It is drivable, but it is a long, especially with traffic, it's a haul. Like, you're gonna have to go a ways. So we've been basically just making sure that he has everything he needs, but it has definitely been taking the toll on us and definitely on me, because I see this strong individual, and now it's just like a person who can barely do very much for themselves. It's just so heartbreaking. So neither here nor there. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a rundown of what was going on. So Thursday, once we got him home, we asked, what do you want to eat? He said, hamburger. So we said, okay, where do you want your hamburger from? He wanted it from Wendy's. So we went to Wendy's, got him his hamburger and his hot French fries. My husband ended up getting, like a little biggie bag or something like that. And even though I was just preaching about the fast food, it was not my choice. I went ahead and just got a sandwich as well. I got like one of their spicy chicken sandwiches. I wasn't really in the mood for a burger, but I got a spicy chicken sandwich and then fries as well. And then we had a Coke Zero. So we did have that on Thursday. Friday, by the time we finally got home, because we were still in the midst of doing a lot of stuff for him and had to go to work. So keep in mind, we still have a secular 9 to 5. I just got Panera. My husband ended up getting, what did he grab? It was Chinesey. Panda Express. Okay. He had Panda Express. I did not want any of that, especially after having Wendy's. I wanted something more comforting. And I really just wanted the soup, to be honest with you. So I didn't eat all my soup yesterday. I still have, a good amount of it. So I'm going to have it today. But I got like half a sandwich, half a salad. I finished that. And I just had a couple bites of my soup, but I'm going to finish my soup today. So that's what's been going on. That was Thursday. That's Friday. Now we're here today. My husband has been grilling all day. All day he's been grilling. So I wanted to show you guys the food, what it looks like. And that way we can go ahead and just make a plate and we can eat. Okay? So give me just a sec. All right, guys. So starting off, we got these thick bone-in center cut pork chops that he made, and I mean they are thick, and he grilled them. He also did 2 T-bone steaks here that he grilled as well. Those look delicious. I just kind of popped them all in here because that's probably what I'm gonna have. It's one of those pork chops today to go along with my creamy tomato soup. You guys already know the drill. Always some chicken. So he always does some chicken breast that he seasoned and everything, that he did that on the grill today as well. We have friends who are supposed to be coming in today to hang out with us, so we went ahead and just made some barbecue grilled chicken legs. Honestly, that was just one of the easiest things we could make. They were already seasoned and everything, so we just went ahead and popped those on the grill and then just kind of slapped it with a little bit of barbecue sauce thereafter. On the side, I did make a salad, but I also just grabbed just a couple cans of pork and beans, home style grilling beans, whatever the case is, Bush's baked beans. So I just went ahead and heated that up just in case they want something to go along with their chicken and stuff like that. I made a coffee. I'm not gonna lie, I made me a coffee. I'm so ready for a coffee. For my meal, along with my pork chop, I'm gonna also have a little veggie platter. I've really been loving Always the More. Guys, I'm gonna tag her channel below. I absolutely love Raquel. She's Always the More, right here on YouTube, and she has been loving lately the Haley Gamba Mediterranean diet, where she was doing a lot of vegetables and soups and stuff like that. And so every time she makes herself a vegetable plate, and she usually has like a little ranch dressing or something on the side, I'm like staring at my phone like, that looks so easy to make, and it looks so easy, and it's gonna be better for me than to have, a carb or something else on the side. So that's what we did. My husband picked out this white cheddar and bacon dip. Nutrition facts don't look too bad. Total carbs for 2 tablespoons is just 2 grams. So not too bad as far as the nutrition facts. But yeah, I was like, that's different. Let's try that out. But yeah, I went ahead and cut up an English cucumber, some green bell pepper, and then some orange bell pepper. So I'm gonna have this along with my pork chop today. He also did a rack of ribs. This was a St. Louis pork ribs that he did. I went ahead and just kind of opened it for you guys so you can see that my friends and everybody can kind of chow down on as well. I'm eating that pork chop though. Don't touch my pork chop. All right, and then finally the salad that I made. Sorry guys, so you guys already know watermelon. My husband cut up a watermelon and cantaloupe, so we have that. And then I just went ahead and just made a salad. So I got spinach, arugula. I did the little grape tomatoes. I cut up half of that English cucumber. And I think that was it. Yeah, that's all I put. Yep, so that's what we have there. And we have plenty of little dressings and stuff here on the side. Creamy Caesar dressing. I think we have some Italian, you know, like the fake Italian down here. We got a plenty of stuff. So it's like ranch and blue cheese and all that type of, we have so much stuff. So honestly, we don't need anything else. So that is it. Right now it is 4:06. I'm gonna go ahead and make me a plate. Yes, and I'm gonna heat up my soup as well. But that is a recap of what's been going on. And more than likely tomorrow, because he already prepped all the food today, we will not be doing any cooking. It's just gonna pretty much be warming up what we already have and what is already made. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back on my channel. Take care. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel for a brand new weekly vlog. Take care.